there are three key challenges that the Irish water sector is facing at the moment. First is about delivering value for customers, ensuring that water and wastewater services are delivered efficiently. I think the second key challenge is about meeting environmental compliance. Irish Water have a large investment programme that they need to put in place to meet existing environmental obligations. And I think the third key challenge is around sustainability and ensuring that the water sector is sustainable into the future, that it's resilient and it can address issues driven by climate change.
There are a number of challenges. If I was to summarise the top two, one would be leakage. We know we have to get leakage down. It's very difficult. We're determined to save 166 million litres a day, 44 of those in Dublin by 2021. On the other side then is construction. We have very ambitious construction targets. We'll be spending €800 million on the economy this year, and it's very important that we do that efficiently and that we hit all our capital targets.
Look, I think we're in a good position in terms of guaranteed investment from government, in terms of a new utility that is finding its feet. And I think the biggest challenges are to get on with the job. There is a big planned amount of work out there in terms of delivering new water treatment services, water treatment plants, and I think we're in a good space, but it is actually delivering that on the ground that's the challenge.
So for us, still the innovation is the creation of Irish Water, and that change that brings in almost aligning the delivery mode with what we see in the UK, and the opportunities that now gives for Irish Water to look at how the UK has been delivering its work and have the opportunity of learning a lot from that. And starting with a clean sheet. So all other sort of technologies and things aside, I think it's that creation of Irish Water itself which is the big exciting thing still.
Well, again, I think go back to Irish Water as a utility, where we've moved from 31 local authorities into one very expert utility which is bringing a standardised approach. We've got a Commission for the Regulation of Utilities which is standardised charges. I think we're going to bring a consistency of customer service throughout the country, and I think that's the greatest innovation that we're seeing right now.
We're constantly looking for new ways to use less water in our production systems, as well as that on the leakage side. Again, we're looking for ways to repair leaks without having to dig up as much ground as we dig up at the moment.
All these conferences are important in terms of bringing people together, sharing experience. For me, seeing what other governments do in other jurisdictions, can we learn from experience, and what can we tell each other?
It's a day when people come and talk nothing but water. Everybody here is focused on the same thing, water, and even more importantly on the Irish water sector. So it's great to have everybody in the same room. We can share ideas, we can reflect on how we've done so far and plan for the future.
Very much enjoying the conference today. I'm sort of new to the industry here in Ireland, so it's been great to have the opportunity to listen to a range of talks given by both the Irish speakers and then also some interesting experiences from some speakers from the UK, particularly the speakers from United Utilities and Yorkshire Water, who've been able to talk about what they have been doing. And the sector in the UK, I think, is more developed than here in Ireland, so it's good to have the opportunity to learn from some of those other companies and what successes they've had.
I think it's great. It's really nice venue. It's well attended, a really good array of companies that are presenting as well. So yeah, it's really good to see the range of attendance that's here, and to have our name on the event. So yeah, great.